Here we have this old Indesit washing and drying machine. It has been working for many years, and the part that broke is the rubber seal here. So now when you're running it, it leaks water. It's easy to fix this, and we're going to do that, but in the meantime the owner decided to get a new washing machine. This is a Whirlpool washing machine. Let's open it. This is a Whirlpool Supreme Silence washing machine, and it's only a washing machine, not a drying machine. It has 10 years of warranty and 20 years for the motor and compressor. When installing the washing machine, in the manual it says which size keys are needed, but they don't give them with it. You have to remove the 4 bolts which are in the backside of the washing machine. They hold the internals, so in shipping it doesn't break. Don't throw these bolts away, because if you're moving or shipping the washing machine, you need to reinstall these so that the inside doesn't break. You also have to remove these. And in the place of them, put the plastic pieces that are included. Do this with all 4 of the holes and bolts. Now we removed all of the bolts and installed all 4 of the little plastic pieces. Now let's connect it. When connecting it, you have to connect this side of the pipe to the washing machine. There's a little plastic piece which blocks the other one from fitting on.
Tighten firmly with the hands. It's not necessary to tighten with key.
They also gave these foam adhesives with the washing machine. We think it's for noise suppression. We're going to stick one here on the back. Now we're going to turn off the water and disconnect the old washing machine. This filter is so that the pipes and the machine doesn't get rusty or get dust in it or other debris. Even though the water is clean here, after some time it still gets very dirty. Now we are connecting the water supply of the new washing machine. You need a wall socket that has grounding. Set language English. We're going to use Hungarian. Now we're going to set the shortest mode that it can do and do a test run to clean out the residue from the factory. It quickly tested if everything is installed correctly. Then it said mosás, which means cleaning. And now it's doing the run. Right now it's very quiet. They claim that when it's running, the max noise is 65 decibels, and when it's going at maximum RPM, the noise doesn't go above 75. Let's see. This is what it sounds like when the water is going through it. This is what it sounds like when it's emptying the water. This is what it sounds like at maximum RPM. It's insanely quiet. It's like it's still much quieter than talking volume.
Increasing the RPM, but still quiet. And now the water pump is working.
The screen doesn't say that it's centrifuging, aka that it's at max RPM yet. So let's see.